Hello, Bob Hall here with Hallsome Farm. Today with some of my grandkids. Our two grandsons here had a birthday a day apart, and so we came down to visit them and celebrate. And to do that, Grandpa gave them what for your birthday?
A worm farm!
We gave them a wicking bed worm farm, and that's what we're going to show you today. The family setting up a wicking bed worm farm. They've got a wonderful garden here in their backyard that they have fun in. And now we're going to help them make fertilizer for their garden, huh? Play with worms. All right.
He's dressed. All right, what do we got here, Bobo?
All right, open it up. You guys tell me what it is. Is it heavy?
It's
What is it?
pipes
Pipe, let me see.
and rocks.
Pipe and rock.
Pipe and
Here,
rocks.
pull it out. So you
You're looking disappointed. Okay, that's a weed barrier.
Gardening stuff.
Yeah, it's gardening stuff.
That's for Mom, not us. Yeah.
No, you got to figure out what kind of gardening stuff this is. This is for you. What are we going to do with it? What are we going to make with it?
Time to get building. So, let me see. So we have a lid. We have a elbow.
You have an elbow.
We
How
have
come that one has holes in it?
Rust-Oleum? That's supposed to be in there?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
white paint.
Wait, there's one with holes in it. There's one with holes.
Don't take the rocks out, just leave the rocks in there.
Leave the rocks in there. You know
How come that one has holes in it?
Why? To water it.
Ah. So what is this?
A watering.
This, you want me to tell you what it is?
What?
It's a bed to grow worms. It's a worm farm.
Yay!
So we don't have the worms yet. We got to build that. Maybe we do it Monday morning, and then we got to get worms and put in it.
So, but what are these holes for? Wait, the worm soil comes out.
That's for the water, to water the worms.
Right, when the worms eat dirt, soil comes out.
No. Why? What about? We don't put these at the two ends. Yeah, but what? How do you
No,
get
that's
the soil?
different. I'm pretty sure.
All right, let's put the pipe in. We've got this in the corner here, leveled out in an area where it's going to get mostly shade. So now we put in the fill pipe, and it just sits in there like that. Now, somebody strong? Are you strong? We need to put the rocks. We need to put the rocks in now.
All right, come help me, Eli.
Come put in the rocks.
I'll get this side, you get that side. All right, you ready? Let's tear the bag open. Oh, not moving the bag. Go. Put the rocks in. Tear the bag. Tear the bag.
Okay. Now level it all out. Oh, put the pipe back up.
It's kind of rocks.
Oh, did I drop
Are
rocks?
those rocks?
Please pick those up.
Are those rocks supposed to help it stay up?
I didn't know there was more holes in this bag.
Okay, guys.
When the rocks come out of the bag.
Level the rocks out so that they're even.
Come on, guys. Spread them out. Make them nice and even.
It's got to all be flat. Come on, Gavin, help. Pretty good. It's a little high over here.
Where?
Right there. Oh, over here. It's a little high.
Oh, good job. Good thinking, Eli.
Okay, don't think hold, just level.
Here, let me show you. Go ahead.
Okay. Very good.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to cut the cloth.
How do we cut it?
Okay. All right, now we got to put the weed barrier down. So what we're going to do, your dad's going to cut a hole. And this is so that the worms don't go down into the water, but it'll let the water come up to the worms.
Now we know why one's only come out when it's raining. Because they come out in the sunlight.
Well, it won't hurt when it rains because the rain will go right through.
No, so what he's saying is he learned from his show the other day that worms only come up when it's raining.
Oh yes, that's
yeah,
true.
they only go because of the in the sunlight. There's wild predators, and also their slime will go away and they can't.
Okay.
And that's bad.
And just make sure there's no rocks, and then you're going to put your bedding down, and then you start putting all your kitchen scraps in there.
Well, we don't start by putting any soil in.
No, no soil at all.
No soil at all. So we start by putting our breads and our salads.
Well, you gotta have some sort of bedding, like peat moss or a layer of a 2 or 3 inch layer of shredded newspaper or something like that.
Oh.
And so that the worms.
Grass.
Or yeah, or grass.
So next time we mow, we can put that in first.
Yeah, and then you would put the worms in and start putting all the kitchen scraps on top, and then on top of that you'd put some newspaper or cardboard to keep it wet and inside.
Okay, so right now this is all we're doing for now because we don't have the...
That's it. It's
Go
ready.
Get the lid, Evelyn. And then we'll put the lid on... We just can't really put the lid on, but whatever.
Okay, that's how easy it is to set up a backyard worm wicking bed worm farm. Even the grandkids can do it, and I'm sure they're going to have lots and lots of fun. So if you like what we do here on the farm or in the backyard, please like us and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching.